Ever feel overwhelmed by a flurry of comments in your Word document? Let's get this cleaned up in no time so you can share your polished work. First, we need to locate the comments in your document. Most of the time, they appear in a pane on the right side. If you don't see it, head up to the ribbon at the top and click on the Review tab. Now, to make sure we have a clear view of everything, let's open the Reviewing pane. Click on the Reviewing pane button, which you'll find in the Comments section of the Review tab. This pane lists every comment, making it super easy to manage. For individual comments, simply find the one you want to remove within the Reviewing pane, hover over it, and you'll see a small down arrow appear. Click that arrow, and then select Delete from the drop-down menu. Poof, that specific comment is gone. Prefer a wholesale cleanup? Great, go back to the Comments section in the Review tab. This time, click on the main Delete button. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Delete all comments in document with a single click. All feedback will vanish, leaving your document pristine and ready for its final destination. And there you have it. Your Word document is now free of all comments and perfectly prepared. Happy sharing!